Bash Technology official launch is today, and it's telling people we're here, we're open for business, and we're going to bring that manufacturing revolution back. We started off helping young designers, and they had got into terrible problems with the sampling, so we decided to just have a few machinists together, and we were going to really help these designers succeed with their own collection. However, we were completely unprepared for the success of that, so a small workshop ended up being a factory. The factory then made us realise that we had a skill shortage, and to get the skills back into manufacturing we had to open a stitching academy. We now have the facility to do 4,000 qualifications over the next 4-year period, and what we want to bring is the nation of new stitchers and quality controllers and managers for the future.
So over the last 25-30 years, the garment industry in the UK has all but disappeared. So most of the production's offshore. Now what that's done is, unfortunately, it's meant that we have got no expertise in the country. We've got universities who produce talent in terms of the theory side, but how do you get to know the practical side? Well, places like this give you that practical side of the theory.
The launch of the Academy is important because it gives local people an opportunity to learn, but also to gain employment and in their locality. I'm particularly glad that the council's been supporting the enterprise. Regeneration is what we're after, and I think this is an ideal example of social enterprise meets local council. Good result.
We opened the doors at 10 o'clock today. We then started off by having networking. There's lots of people arrive. We then just had a Dragon's Den competition where we've been spotting new designer talent. Very fortunate to have Juliet Hurd here, who is the editor for Hello Monthly Fashion. And we had Carolyn Springer here, who's the ex-MD of Jaeger and Aquascutum. So we put them through the paces a little bit, but not too much, because these are budding, fantastic new designers of the future.
Today's so important for me because as a new designer, especially in London, it's very hard to get a break. You can put yourself online, promote yourself as much as possible, but without sort of the right contacts, it can be very difficult. But today's so wonderful because there's so many people here in Fashion Enter. Jenny Holloway's great. It's just, it's almost too good to be true. It's a great opportunity.
Any exposure when you're a small brand and you're trying to make a break is always great. To meet people that can help you maybe in the future at this stage is really important.
This is like a huge opportunity for us, and we just take everything we can get and grab with both hands, with 4 hands because it's
Events like this are incredibly important. This is the opportunity that a designer gets to showcase their work, to showcase their creativity. So it's really their opportunity to get their names and their products and their ideas out there.
I think it's fantastic to encourage new talent, and out of the 10 designers I've seen today, I thought the overall quality was really strong. I was really impressed. It's fantastic that they've got the creativity and imagination. I think it's just sort of getting the business skills to adapt what they've designed to a realistic market so that they can actually realise their dream and sell their clothes.
This platform today is giving them a bit of a leg up. You know, everybody needs exposure, everybody needs to get their name out there, and we've got some wonderful guests. You know, we're really blessed with a great network of people. And tonight we gave out the Learners Awards. They've got some real talents there, and we wanted to really acknowledge that. We've now got a packed house for the grand finale. It's great to have Haringey Council here, and we're ready for that big fashion show.
It's packed in here tonight, which just shows what opportunity there is. Getting any kind of exposure to, you know, the kind of people that are here tonight is only going to be a good thing for people. Working with people like Jenny, who is a visionary, and using her knowledge and her background to sort of get themselves out there, I think is a massive stepping stone.
There's just so much talent out there, and they need that incentive, that real kick to get them going, to really achieve what they're capable of achieving.